Now let us see undoing changes in the staging area using the command git reset. This is my local repository and here is a file where I have some unstaged changes. If I see status, there are some unstaged changes in this repository. These changes are unstaged. They are in the working directory. Let me stage those changes, add them, git add file name. So now the changes are staged. If we see changes to be committed, there were some changes which are staged. Now I want to unstage this file from the staging area. So we can do git reset the file name, file6. So now if you see it says unstaged, and if you see the status, again like you can see the changes are unstaged. They were in the working directory. Changes not staged means unstaged, means those are in the working directory. Means the modification whichever we have done is removed from the staging area.